never a dull moment at our household. Hey, be nice to her.
I'm going to tell you out.
Hi, Mace. Macy. Haley, are you being nice? Haley, get off of Macy. Hey, get off of her legs, okay? Thank you. Dear Mace, you're okay. Oh, Macy. I think Macy's tired. Hey, whoa, Haley Marie. Oh, Haley. This is what Haley's been doing all night to her little sister. Hey, okay, get off of her. Macy. You okay, hon? Oh my gosh. Hey, girls. Hey, Haley. I know I'm awesome, but you can't fight over me. I was snuggling Macy. Hey, Macy. You want to get ready and go to bed, honey? Oh, Mace. Macy, look at Mommy. Hey, Haley, can you give Macy a kiss? Yeah, you give her a kiss and say goodnight. Oh, my gosh.